celebrating 10 years at E&E Metal Fab in the city of Lebanon, and other CLA volunteers. Well, I bet you the Kissmobile has candy, and I'll bet you it's Hershey Kisses. Hershey's Kissmobile driving all the way down from Hershey to be part of our parade this year. And the Hershey Elves. The Kissettes. Blow some kisses for the Kissettes. Yeah. And the Hershey's Kissmobile. The Lebanon Farmers Market is a proud corporate sponsor of this year's CLA Holiday Parade. Don't forget to support the farmers market and stop by after the parade. Pick up some great things to eat. Fresh, quality foods at the Lebanon Farmers Market. Thank you. And don't forget, Santa Claus will be at the market, kids. You can see Santa after the parade. Watch him climb to the top of the market building. Well, as you can hear the sound of the bagpipes, that's the Lockheed